I'm meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers. We have been tracking these storms very closely for you all afternoon. The strongest storms have been on the south side of Atlanta and even down into parts of central Georgia as well. The good news is, as you're looking at radar right now, the rain is over for us here in Atlanta. Now, there are a couple of showers still lingering behind. This is the actual front out to the west. Still just a little bit of rain, but no storms with that. The storms are over for us. We're in a break in the action right now, and then most of the activity is well to the east. Athens has even seen an end in the rain. That's moved over into Oglethorpe County. It's ending there. It has cleared Lake Oconee and Putnam County. We had a tornado warning there earlier near Lake Oconee and also down toward Lake Sinclair, but now the back edge of this is moving out. So for the rest of the night, we are going to be fine here, but let me take you down to the south, down into central Georgia and South Georgia. We still have numerous tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings. That's where we still have the rain that is moving through and more of the shear and instability, a little more active here on the south side, and that's why they're having those storms that are still moving through that area now. Now you can see here a couple of those warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings and also tornado warnings. We have confirmed reports of damage in these areas. And then, as Wes showed you a little bit earlier, as these storms moved in from Alabama, we have numerous reports of tornadoes. Not all of these have been confirmed, but the National Weather Service did confirm some of these, and we do have reports of damage out of this area of rain that came out of Alabama, moving into parts of Muskogee County, Harris County, also into parts of Talbot County. We had that warning that extended over into Upson County, and then it lifted, and we didn't see any additional warnings except for that one that was over in Putnam County. We also have some tornado reports near Macon and just to the south of that. We're seeing some pictures of some of these that also look very impressive with the damage in association with those too. But more good news for you. The tornado watch that was supposed to be in effect until 8 o'clock tonight for much of the area just to the east of Atlanta has now been canceled for many counties. The only county in our viewing area, Putnam County, still in that tornado watch until 8, but I really think that a lot of these counties will be removed from the watch as well before that 8 o'clock expiration time. So now that we are past the storm threat, we're now looking ahead to the colder air moving in. Meteorologist Wes Peary has more on that.
And we're about to go from spring-like thunderstorms to winter-like temperatures. It's going to be a huge change over the next 48 to 72 hours. Huge mass showers and thunderstorms that Chris just talked about. This is going to take a considerable amount of time to actually get out of the state of Georgia. You can see all the way down in southern Georgia, they are still dealing with kind of the front edge of this line of thunderstorms where those severe thunderstorm warnings and those tornado warnings are. But the cold air is on its way on the backside of this cold front. You're going to begin to feel it tonight. We have not been in the 30s for several days. That's where we're headed tonight. Lows above freezing. May even see some frost develop as well. Very, very cold. Air mass sets in for at least the next 2 or 3 days. It's going to be chilly. We're going to have lows in the 20s in Atlanta Metro. Some places like in the North Georgia mountains may even have lows in the teens. And if the winds behave correctly, we may even find wind chill values in the single digits on some of these mornings. So the much cooler air rolls in today. To put this in perspective, or pardon me, rolls in tomorrow. But to put this in perspective, this morning lows only fell into the 50s. Our high temperature tomorrow will likely be cooler than our coolest part of the day today. 35 for that overnight low, 50 for a high temperature tomorrow. We'll have some clouds around with gently cleared skies. The next 7 days, that's winter for you. 20s for lows Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Temperatures returning back to normal, which is in the lower 60s by Thursday. And then we'll watch out maybe for some stronger thunderstorms as we head into next weekend. A little tough on the timing right now. We're putting 40% chances of rain for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.